Welcome to School Page Key Concepts. Genetics Explained. We often see that in a family, children resemble their parents in one or two characters, like hair color, skin color, the eyes, height, and so on. Some of them may even look like their grandparents or a distant aunt. Now, why does this happen? This happens because children inherit the characters from their parents. It's called inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but transfer of characters from parents to offsprings. Let us now see some more examples for the traits or the characters which are inherited from parents. The pattern of hairline, whether it's widow's peak or straight. You can see here, this is the straight hairline and this is the widow's peak. The crossing of the thumbs, right thumb over the left or left thumb over the right. Earlobes, whether detached or attached, and hair, whether curly or straight hair. So these are some of the characteristics which are inherited from the parents and can be seen. But there are characters which are inherited from the parents but cannot be seen. One example is of blood group. Now, it's not only the similarities which we notice when we look into a family. We also come across the differences. These are the differences which make the children look different from their parents. Now, there's a special name given for that. It's called variation. Variation are the differences or changes in the inherited characters among the related organisms. That is why, though you look little similar to your dad or mother, you're not exactly same as them. People always had doubt as to how did the children inherit the traits from their parents or grandparents or some distant relative. Many people have given their opinion. One such opinion was given by Aristotle. He said that we are mixture of our parents' characters, with the father supplying the life force and mother supplying the building blocks. However, the modern world has its own different branch of science which explains how you inherited the traits from your parents. This branch of biology is called genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with both inheritance and variation. There were many people who did experiments and tried to figure out how traits are inherited. But it was only Mendel who got the success. He did his experiments on garden pea, Pisum sativum, and formulated the laws which are now famous as principles of inheritance. Mendel chose garden peas for his experiments. There were few advantages of garden pea over the other plants which made him choose the plant, like its easy availability and it's easy to grow, the short lifespan of the plant, and the flowers are bisexual and naturally self-pollinating. Garden peas also provided contrasting set of characters on which Mendel could do his experiments. These were some of the reasons for Mendel to choose Pisum sativum, the garden pea, for his experiments in hybridization. Based on these experiments done on garden pea, Mendel gave the laws of inheritance, which form the basics of genetics. Thank you for watching. For more videos, visit our website schoolpage.mn.